Okay, so number one. First of all, today's date, diciembre 14. So number one, it says find the angle measure. Well, AOB. Let's see, AOB. Sure looks like, what do you guys think? It looks like 50 maybe? AOB, does AOB, does that look like 50 degrees? Guys, can you see AOB? AOB. No, I got 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? I got 50, right? And then that is acute, right? COD, what do you think? COD is 90 degrees, and it's called a right angle BOD, B-O-D, there's no BOD, B-O-D, let's see, B-O-D, what is B-O-D? 130, good, it's 130. Now if you don't see that, B-O-D, it's more than 90, right? B-O-D is more than 90, and I'm reading 130, and that one's obtuse, AOD, AOD. Yeah, 180 degrees, and that's called a straight angle. Okay? Now, if you called it obtuse, I don't think I'd mark it wrong on a test, but it's really going to be a straight angle, okay? How am I doing? Okay, 5. Let's take a look at 5. E, so I've got 86 degrees there. EFG. So we're going to be able to read this, but it's not too hard to read. EFG. So EFG, let me go ahead and mark it. EFG. So the entire angle is 130, right? So to find angle HFG, that's easy, right? 130 minus 86. What'd you get? Say it again. 44 degrees. I'm going to believe you, okay? If she did math wrong, then that's the way it goes, huh? Now 6, we've got to do some algebra. I can do that. Okay, PRS. PRS. So the whole thing is 98. But I know that this angle plus this angle makes the 98. Everybody agree with that? This angle plus this angle. So I could write that angle PRQ. PRQ plus angle QRS. QRS equals my angle PRS. Right? So I'm just using symbols. We don't have to do the symbols, but you know, we're saying this angle plus this angle equals the big angle, right? Now let's just solve. Let's just do it, huh? Let's just do it. So I'm going to take my 3x minus 8 plus 2x plus 6 equals 98. And I'll step back and let you figure out what I did. I'm just going to add them up. Add the two angles and make it equal to 98. Well, that's not too hard. How about 5x minus 2 equals 98. And then plus 2 plus 2. I'm going to have 5x equals 100. Divide by 5, divide by 5, x equals 20. But that's not the answer. That's not the answer. What's the question? So the question is to find QRS, isn't it? I'm not done. That's not the answer. But QRS, that's that one, right? So to find angle QRS, I'm just going to go 2 times the value of x, 2x plus 6, the value of x is 20, plus 6, right? The value of x is 20. 40 plus 6 is 46 degrees. Okay, I don't need to do 7 and 8 because it's just like the others. So I'll probably turn the page, okay?
Instead of doing that, can't you just like look at the top picture and QRS, so like R would be O, from like O to D, and it's like a straight line. And then C would be like just up, and then like be like here to your RS is OD, and they're just a straight line. You could just like guess, because like I guess that is like about 50, but you're not to be 46. Would that be close enough?
No.
Really?
No. 50 is not 46, is it? You got to do the math, Mars. Oh, whatever that is. No, Mars, you've got to do the math because it's not 50, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, turn the page. Okay? Go ahead and turn the page. Okay, now this is this word congruent. Let's go straight to congruent, okay? Okay, in the suspension bridge, AEC is 90. CAD, okay, CAD is 29. So I'm going to write 29 right there, okay? ADE, ADE is 61 degrees. Write that there. And AD bisects CAE. So I'm going to write that in there too. Bisects. So I'm going to write bisects. Bisects CAE. CAE. Okay. Okay, now, let's make this easy. Let's make this easy, okay? This word here needs to get cut in half. So this angle, you see where my finger is? This angle cut in half. In half, right? So that's 29, what's that angle? That's 29, what's that angle? I'll say it again. This thing, this cut in half. This 29, this is also 29. Oh, so you cut the big effect. Hold on, let me use markers, okay? Okay, so you ready? C A E got cut in half. See in green? Green angle got cut in half. 1/2 of it is 29. That was given there. So what's the other half?
29.
Can you see that now? Okay, so the green angle got cut in half, right? So in geometry, it's not hard. It's just trying to figure out what the question is, right? So that's why I like to label it. AEC, 90. Okay, I got 90 there. AEC, that's 90. CAD, watch my finger. CAD, that's 29 degrees. CAD, see it's CAD, that's 29, okay? AED, AED, oh, went the wrong way. No idea. ADE, that's 61 there, okay? Bisects, what's it cut in half? CAE, okay? So, I know this. I know this. That this is also 29 degrees, okay? So, congruent means same measure, okay? Congruent means same measure. So they've got to be equal. Same measure to be congruent, okay? Well, I know. Here's the hard part about geometry. I know these two are equal, right? But how do I say that? These are equal. How do I say that? I'm going to say angle CAD, see it, is congruent to angle DAE. Okay, so how do I say? I know they're equal. You can say, well, Mr. Davies, that's equal to that. Great, awesome. I agree with you. But what is that? Okay, tell me, what is that angle? Well, it's that angle and that angle, Mr. Davies. Awesome. What's that angle called? Well, it's called that angle. that angle. Well, it's not going to work. You're going to say angle, you ready? CAD, angle CAD is congruent to angle DAE. Oh yeah, thank you. What is the measure of CAE? We already found that out. CAE, what's CAE? That's 29 plus 29, isn't it? CAE is 29 plus 29, which is going to be 58, right? Okay. What's the measure of CDA? Okay, CDA, right here, right? CDA. CDA. I'm going to slide it down again, make a mess. Right, the hardest part is trying to figure out what they're asking, isn't it? You guys agree with that? You ready? Okay, follow with me. Okay, follow. Okay, marker. CDA. 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 See it? Come on. CDA. CDA. Thumbs up. What is that measure? How many degrees in a straight line? Preston?
Well, from like E to B, it would be 90, and then there's the extra 29 degrees, so why don't you just do 90 plus 29 to find out the...
90 plus 29. Yes. Wow. Can I not teach it that way? Wow. That's pretty impressive, okay? There is a rule in math that says that two exterior and remote angles are equal to the, yeah, wow, okay, I'm gonna teach you totally different, okay? Yeah, by the way, nice job. Okay, let me just do this. Now you'll see it, okay? Okay? That's it. How many degrees in a straight line? Yeah, so if I want, you see the 180 from here to here? And Preston, yes. Okay, by the way, I'm not even gonna teach what you said, okay? What is that? Let's see. 119? 119, okay. All right, thumbs up. What do you think? Can you do this today? The hardest part, okay, I'm going to say it. Do the finger method. If you get confused. What's the finger method? Watch. Watch. C-A-E, right? C-A-E. C-A-E, that angle. See how I do it? Okay, walk it. Walk the angle around. See which one it is, okay? If you get confused, okay? All right, now, a couple of things before I get moving and finish. Homework, first of all, it's going to be on page 240. It's going to be 1 to 9 all. And I have a third one of these, a truncated octahedron. This one's going to be due also. If you have not finished, it's super on board. If you haven't finished the last one, get it done. If you need the third one, I'll have it back here on the table. All right, so let's get going, guys. We got work to do, but plenty of time to get it done. Yeah, you can take a mass break. Anybody need a mass break?
I'm with you.